The Constitution of India. Part 5. The Union. Chapter 4. The Union Judiciary. Article 124. Establishment and Constitution of Supreme Court. 1. There shall be a Supreme Court of India, consisting of a Chief Justice of India. And, until Parliament by law prescribes a larger number, of not more than 7 other judges. 2. Every judge of the Supreme Court shall be appointed by the President, by warrant under his hand, and seal, on the recommendation of the National Judicial Appointments Commission, referred to in Article 124A. And shall hold office, until he attains the age of 65 years. Provided that, a. the judge may, by writing under his hand addressed to the President, resign his office. b. the judge may be removed from his office in the manner provided in Clause 4. 2a. The age of a judge of the Supreme Court shall be determined by such authority, and in such manner, as Parliament may by law provide. 3. A person shall not be qualified for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court, unless he is a citizen of India, and has been for at least 5 years a judge of a high court, or of 2 or more such courts, in succession. Or, b. has been for at least 10 years an advocate of a high court, or of 2 or more such courts in succession. Or, c. is, in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. Explanation 1. In this clause, High Court means a high court which exercises, or which at any time before the commencement of this Constitution exercised, jurisdiction in any part of the territory of India. Explanation 2. In computing for the purpose of this clause, the period during which a person has been an advocate, any period during which a person has held judicial office, not inferior to that of a district judge, after he became an advocate, shall be included. 4. A judge of the Supreme Court shall not be removed from his office, except by an order of the President, passed after an address by each House of Parliament, supported by a majority of the total membership of that House, and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of the members of that House present. And voting has been presented to the President, in the same session, for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. 5. Parliament may by law regulate the procedure for the presentation of an address, and for the investigation and proof of the misbehavior or incapacity of a judge, under Clause 4. 6. Every person appointed to be a judge of the Supreme Court shall, before he enters upon his office, make and subscribe before the President, or some person appointed in that behalf by him, an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose, in the 3rd Schedule, 7. No person who has held office as a judge of the Supreme Court shall plead or act in any court, or before any authority, within the territory of India.